see me as Crisostomo Ibarra, a young man educated in Europe who returned in Philippines full of hope. But if you read No Limit Tangere closely, you will discover that Ibarra is more than a fictional character. He is my voice. He is Jose Rizal. Traveled across Europe, I witnessed nations where people could think, learn, and speak freely. But whenever I remember my beloved Philippines, my heart grew heavy. I asked myself, why must my people continue to suffer under injustice and oppression? While writing No Limit Tangere, I poured my own experience into Ibarra's story. I did not try to encourage violence. I believe that the true weapon against tyranny is education. Like Ibarra, I dream of building a school because educated people can defend their freedom with wisdom, not hatred.
Yet, my heart broke as I saw the suffering of my fellow Filipinos. I saw Sisa's madness, Elias' sacrifice, and Maria Clara's imprisonment. Their pain reflected the pain of our nation. It reminded me that the silence only allows injustice to grow. I knew this book would make powerful enemies.
I risked my reputation, my family, even my own life, but I could not remain silent while my country suffered. They banned the book, let them. If they burn its pages, let them. The truth cannot be destroyed. As long as one Filipino continues to seek knowledge, justice, and love for our country, the spirit of No Limit Tangere will live on. I am Jose Rizal, I am Crisostomo Ibarra, and my pen always fight for the freedom